Friends, how are you? Thank you for coming back. I kind of got to jump on things so we could get going and not have it where we do step 3. So we just want to wrap this up today. Okay. What I did was I took my one brush, which is more round. I came up like that, and then I'm filling it in with this. Okay. I'm dabbing it out. That's all you do. You tap. That's all you're going to do. You're going to tap. The brush has a little wetness to it, and that's what you want, okay, because you're going to get that good texture. You want to go up over the line that you made. Now, this is the cool part. You're going to see how it's going to come to life. You're going to dab it. Right now, we got the 2 colors, black and white. You're going to dab it. The white, mix with a little black, and now it's really having that 2-tone. Dab some black. I love doing rocks. They just come, oh my God, and it's so easy. Look at that. All you're doing is dabbing. And then you're mixing a little white with the black. Got the gray going on top. See, you're doing a lot of good layers here, and that's what makes it look so realistic. And then we're going to come in with some white. Look at that. Boy, what just makes it all the difference. You can make bigger rocks, smaller rocks. This is your painting. You do what you want with it. Love it, love it, love it. And what I like to do, I grab a little white on the tip. And what I like to do, just a little bit, right on the top. There you go. It's more like a little reflection, but it's just absolutely, I love rocks. There you go. Now you got your rocks in. I have this sponge, that little round one right here. They do come in a package. Got them on Amazon. So I thought this would be a good size. It's already wet. I'm going to dab it in my yellow paint. I'm not going to press too hard so I don't lose it coming off. Okay. And I'm going to put it right here. The other one I have is like a half sun. I want to put it right here. Let me just give it a little twist. Oh, perfect. Whoa. Oh, look at the texture. Oh my God, I love it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, you're going to have, let me see what we're going to do. We're going to take, let's get a angle brush. And then we're going to dab that. Little white. And everything in life is one solid color. Okay, everything right here. This is where we're going to go. Right underneath your horizontal line. Right there. Okay, like we did in that one. Give that a nice reflection off the water. Do a little yellow. Alright, perfect. Because it's not real strong. It's not coming out that strong, and that's what you don't want. You just want to get it where it's a beautiful reflection right there. If you want to add more clouds, feel free. Absolutely beautiful. See all the tones we have too in the water. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And then what I'll do later, I'm going to clean up the edges. I'm not sure what color I'm going to make the edges at that time. So let's see. This is what I'm talking about, things being different. But they're both beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with that. And later, as I do more paintings, we'll do, yeah, we'll get some palm trees, got some lighthouses. These are some of my paintings that I did. And of course, let me see this one over here. Yep, we just recently did that one. So I have a nice little area I work out of right here. Friends, I don't know about you, but I'm having a great time. The one last thing I'll be doing, I'll be putting my initial L right there, and L right there. And remember, your painting is your painting. If you don't want clouds, that's fine. Don't do them. If you want your rocks bigger, you still have room enough to do it right here in this area. So I'm so glad we were able to do it in 2 steps, and I can't wait to come back, and we're going to have some good fun. And also, I thought too, friends, I have some pottery, and a few years back, I painted some pottery. That's going to be fun, and maybe one time on my video we'll be doing that. Friends, I hope you're having a good time. I hope you're looking and feeling really good. That's what my videos are about. I know I have a wonderful, wonderful time. Thank you so much, friends, for tuning in. Okay, and I'll see you again. You have a great day. Bye-bye.